I just don't know how this is supposed to fit, I guess. Hi everybody, my name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and today we are unboxing another Jane Doe cosplay. This time it's a swimsuit version. I literally, right before filming this, just unboxed this Jane Doe cosplay, her OG version. It comes with the tail, with the shoes, even with her weapon, so if you would like to see that, please go check it out. And that's also why my bangs are not trimmed yet, so I'm sorry about this, but hopefully I will do that soon. Without further ado, let's do a Jane Doe cosplay. I actually got this one off of Amazon because I couldn't find any other Jane Doe swimsuit cosplays that would ship in time for this meet, but I normally boycott Amazon, so this is kind of this is a little weird for me, and this came very fast. Like, my cosplay that I'm wearing right now, this Jane Doe cosplay, took like 5 weeks to get here. This took a couple days. I'm really nervous. It had no reviews, but it was really cute. And I was like, what the hell, it's like $30, let's just do it. So we did it, and let's see if it's as cute as I hope it is. Worst case scenario, if this doesn't work, what I'm gonna wear to the meet is literally this top with swim shorts, because this is swimsuit material. This top is swimsuit material, which is crazy, so okay, let's do it. This is the bag that it comes in. I can see the jacket on top and stuff on the bottom. This is also, for size comparison, this is the box my Jane Doe cosplay I'm wearing right now came in. This is way smaller, obviously. Okay, everything's falling out. So this is really, oh my god, this is really cute. This is the swim top that it comes with. Oh my god, this is actually like really cute. Wow. It looks like it is a halter neck with a little tie on it. That's so cute. And it just clips in the back. Oh, it clips like that in the back. That neck seems really small though. I'm actually a little worried about that. So, when in doubt, try it on. Nope, it'll be fine. I think it'll be a little tight, but not super uncomfortable. And all of that inside is mesh, like this area. I don't know if you can tell. And there's a little crisscross in it. And the crisscross is really cute. There is padding in the bust as well. And it looks like bottom is elastic. So it should fit a multiple of sizes of underbusts. So this is what it is, no stretch, and stretched. It goes all the way out to here. I am a little worried as a big busted person that this will not fit, but that's always a fear with swimsuits. But this actually looks like it will, and I'm honestly really excited for it. Then we have, what is this? Oh my god, it's a jacket. Okay, I did see that it came with like a fake swim jacket, and I thought it looked really cute. I was like, that's such a fun, cute little touch, and oh my god. After like unboxing Jane Doe's actual jacket, this is a crazy material difference, but obviously this is like swim material. So this is a very simplified version of the jacket that you can actually wear in the swimming pool, which is kind of funny. Oh, the side is stuck. The side's stuck on my glove, but that's okay. This is so goofy. I love it. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, okay, it's the little rover tags. Is this inside out? Maybe I'm wearing this inside out. No, I'm not wearing it inside out. I just don't know how this is supposed to fit, I guess. There we go. Now it's over my gloves. Come on, that's actually so cute. That's freaking adorable. I love that it comes with a little jacket. It just makes the character. And you can definitely wear this in the water. So I think this is a fashionable win, if I do say so myself. Then this is our last bag, which should be the swim shorts. Oh, and I ordered everything in a size large. My original Jane Doe cosplay is an XL, so this is a large though. Oh, shit, stuff's falling. Oh my god, it comes with metal pieces. It comes with the metal star. Crazy. Was not expecting it to come with like an actual metal brooch for a swimsuit. And it comes with whatever this is. This might be like a thigh strap or something. I am not totally sure. It could be a necklace. Could be for fun. I don't know. No idea. And then wrapped in tissue paper, by the way, are the swim shorts. And these look really revealing. Shit. These are the swim shorts. I thought they were gonna be more short-like than actual bikini bottoms, which is why I was really excited for them, because I don't think that's gonna cover my ass cheeks. Oh my god, this is actually really freaking me out. But it has all these cute, fun little metal details on it and has 2 zippers, and I don't have the body confidence to wear this. So maybe worst case scenario, we just wear plain black swim shorts and we cry. But these are actual functional pockets too. Like, that's an actual pocket. And it has all these cute little, like, plastic feeling, pleather feeling belts and stuff that are also pretty adorable. It also looks kind of sheer, not gonna lie, but it does have good stretch to it. Okay, what the hell? Maybe I'll try it on. I don't know if I'll show this shit on camera, but... And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Here is a Jane Doe swimsuit cosplay, actually on my body at the beach. Bum 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 bum! Okay, you know what? This swimsuit actually fits like a charm. It fits absolutely beautifully on my body, and I was really worried about the sizing because if I remember correctly, it was like a one size fits all kind of situation, or it was something weird on that Amazon listing. Well, it fit me and my 5'5" self absolutely beautifully. I loved the fit of it, like the top, perfect size, the bottoms fit great. I will say that the zippers, because the zippers are very structured and don't have a lot of like movement to them, they do give you like a weird shape, I guess. Like the fabric kind of like folds a little weird, if that makes sense. But that's like my only complaint. Actually, no, I have a second complaint. My second complaint is these garter belts, these silver garter belts that go on your upper thighs. They definitely did not make those for people with like thick thigh. I don't even have thick thighs. I don't even have curves. And these guys were like so tight. Like I didn't even have them on the largest hole, like the larger size. Even then they were way too tight. So they're kind of just like tucked in there at the very end. So if you get the swimsuit, just keep that in mind, that the sizing on the garter belts, no bueno, not good. You maybe like SLL on those. Maybe there's a way to extend them, but just keep in mind that the garter belts are super, super, super tiny. Also, like, yeah, overall I thought this was great. I really love the fit. I especially love the jacket. The jacket is just so freaking cute. It's like a very toned down version of Jane Doe's jacket, but it just works so well. And it's honestly perfect for the beach. It is the perfect jacket. Like, it breaks the wind, so the wind isn't as cold. And you know how you go to the beach and it's like a hot day and then you get in the water and then the water cools you down and then you're freezing. This jacket was like perfect. It's just enough to keep you like warm and regulated. It's stylish. It has a really nice movement to it. And the sleeves are so freaking cute. They have like a little poof to them and they're just adorable. But like overall, I actually really like this cosplay, and fun fact about me, I've never worn an actual swimsuit in public before. This was my first time wearing a swimsuit in public. Anytime I've worn a bathing suit, I've always had like shorts or a skirt over them, so this was a first for me, and honestly, I felt really comfortable in this. I felt like it gave me good coverage on my chest and my booty, and I really liked it. So I know Jane Doe has like an official swimsuit now. Unfortunately, I ordered this before that came out, but if you want a swimsuit version of like her, you know, like main outfit, highly recommend this. I thought it was really cute. It feels high quality. It survived the washing machine multiple times, and yeah, I like it. Anyways, if you liked and enjoyed this video, please like and comment for more, and subscribe for maybe more content. We'll see. Okay, thank you so much for joining and for watching my review. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to check out the original Jane Doe cosplay review video that hopefully is up on my channel. Bye! Yay! Okay, bye.